So welcome back to another Rotobec video. This video right here has got me pretty pumped up because this right here is in the heart of the southeast, down here where I'm at. This is filmed right here in Arkansas, this my neighboring state that joins me right here in Mississippi. And this Rotobec grapple right here that you see here is probably more than likely a 4552, and this is where Rotobec got its start from, was building grapples just like this right here. A cool little tidbit of factual information. Rotobec, have you ever wondered what Rotobec stands for? Rotobec stands for Rotation Around Quebec. That's where it comes from. But here in the southeast where I'm at, this is the kind of logging that you're going to see and equipment that you're going to see. Probably 99% of the logging done here is done just like this right here, with a trailer mounted loader, pull through delimber like this right here, and then a ground saw on the ground, bucking wood up or cutting chunks off or pieces off or anything like that. And so this is what I'm accustomed to. You see some processors and things like that, but not near as much. But the Rotobec grapple right here is kind of a mainstay here in the southeast. You see them on everything. You see them on excavators, you see them on trailer mounted loaders, you see them on track mounted loaders, you even see them on truck mounted style type like elite loaders and stuff like that. There are some areas here that have those settings. So if you're in a material handling type of application and you're needing something like this right here, Rotobec pretty much has something to meet your needs, whether it might be grapple for logs or scrap or demolition type stuff. So click the link down below in the description box if you have a need for something like this, and go over to Rotobec. They make tons and tons of stuff. Appreciate y'all watching. I am Cotontop3. If you would go over to my channel and check me out too, as I always say at the end of my videos. Later, taters.